I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 online in just 24 hours. You can do it too. Anyone can. Now, there's a lot of opportunity out there to make money online. The problem is, most people don't know how to get started, and they're looking for that one thing that's gonna change their life. They're looking for the secret to success. Well, I'm going to let you in on a little secret right now. It's not gonna be some magical hack or some software that you buy that is gonna make you rich. It's going to be your ability to take action on the information that you learn. Now, I've got a few videos that I've gonna link to down below that are gonna show you how to do just that. I'm going to show you several different ways that you can make money online. And if you follow along and you take action on the things that I teach you, I guarantee you're going to be able to make money online. It's not going to be a problem. If you need further proof, just check out my analytics. Might have made over $300,000 online in the last 30 days. It's all because I took action on the information that I learned. So what are you waiting for? Go check out those videos and start taking action. And once you make your first $1,000 online, I want you to come back here and leave a comment down below so you can help inspire others to take action. So if you want to see my full video on how to make $1,000 online in 24 hours, just go to my channel and you'll find it there.